Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain JCB The Class Disney benefits. This premium credit card offers a suite of exclusive perks designed to elevate your experience at Disney resorts. From special lounge access to unique vacation packages, we'll explore how this card can make your Disney visits even more magical and memorable. Stay tuned to discover all the exciting advantages. One of the most sought-after benefits is access to the exclusive JCB Lounge located within Tokyo Disney Resort. Here, you can unwind in a comfortable setting and enjoy complimentary soft drinks. After your relaxing break, you'll receive priority access to a designated popular attraction, saving you valuable time and enhancing your park experience. Remember to make a reservation 1 month in advance. JCB The Class cardholders can also unlock special Disney vacation packages. These packages often include stays at exquisite Disney hotels, along with one-day passports for either Tokyo Disneyland or Tokyo Disney Sea. Furthermore, you can enjoy preferential rates on luxurious suite rooms at Disney resort hotels, adding an extra touch of elegance to your magical getaway. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself fully in the Disney magic. Considering the annual fee of 55,000 yen, including tax, many wonder if JCB The Class is truly worth it for Disney enthusiasts. The exclusive lounge access, priority attraction entry, and special vacation packages offer substantial value. For frequent visitors and those seeking a premium Disney experience, these unique benefits can significantly enhance your trips, making the card a worthwhile investment for dedicated fans.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.